Anyone? Yes, please. Basic in nature or acidic in nature? Alkaline KMnO4. Alkaline means what, guys? It is basic or acidic in nature? Yes, please. Basic in nature. So alkaline means mixture of sodium hydroxide plus potassium permanganate, or acidified K2Cr2O7 means sulfuric acid plus potassium dichromate. What is the name of this one? Potassium dichromate. Then we are going to get the products CH3POOH plus H2O. So that is what we'll get. So what is this one called as? Anybody?
Acetic acid.
What something? What is that? Ethanoic acid. Or we will say acetic acid. Understand, everyone? So which is the second compound? So what is the second compound we are going to study? What is the second compound we are going to study, guys? Acetic acid. That is what? Acetic acid production. So acetic acid is produced. That is what? From the ethanol or ethyl alcohol with the help of nascent oxygen. Nascent oxygen. So which will be causing to produce ethanoic acid plus water. So that is what we can do it. So now write it, everyone. This is the oxidation reaction. Now how it will be happening? So let us discuss this oxidation. So either you can take alkaline KMnO4 or acidified K2Cr2O7. So whatever you can take. Now what will happen means here. So how it is producing nascent oxygen? All of you should remember, we have to take alkaline medium. That is what it will take KMnO4. So KMnO4 will act as a oxidizing agent. You can see here, oxidizing agent. So in internal reactions, when we are doing in the laboratory, so what will happen, sir? So all of you remember, KMnO4 will react with the base. So you can take the base as it is a NaOH or KOH, whatever it is. So the internal reaction, see, for if you go to our lab, we have to take potassium hydroxide. So I will take KMnO4, oxidizing agent or reducing agent, guys. Anyone? KMnO4 will work as a what?
Oxidizing agent.
Oxidizing agent. Understanding? And it will react with the alkaline. Alkaline means basic in nature or acidic in nature? Yes, please.
Yes.
Basic in nature. So let me take a base, potassium hydroxide, then the reaction will take place like K2MnO4. We already studied this. K2MnO4 plus, we are going to get H2O plus, we are going to get nascent oxygen. Do you understand, everybody? If I react K2MnO4, if I don't have this one, I can take this one also. K2MnO4. Okay, and if I react with the water, this is also will produce as manganese dioxide plus potassium hydroxide plus nascent oxygen. So whatever I can, so finally, ultimately I can produce, what I will produce, guys? I will produce the nascent oxygen. So this nascent oxygen will react with the ethyl alcohol or ethanol, and it will produce the ethanoic acid, or we can say acetic acid. Along with that, it will produce one more product. What is the product? What is the product? Water. Understand? So that is what the reaction. So all of you should remember, by oxidation reaction, ethyl alcohol can be converting into ethanoic acid. That is what I want to teach. So please make it, and whatever you are having any doubt, you can ask me this. K2Cr2O7. If you take that also, it will come same thing. Okay, we can use anything given. So that is what I am saying. So alkaline KMnO4 you can learn, as it is KMnO4 we are having in our book also. So you can learn that, it will be enough. Okay, Kevin? So it is there in our book also, alkaline KMnO4, or you can take K2Cr2O7, whatever it is. It will produce what? It will produce what? Everybody?
Nascent oxide.
That is what we used to say, acetic acid. That is what you have to remember. Our book, they have given both. You can take anything, either potassium permanganate or potassium dichromate. But potassium permanganate alkaline in nature. Potassium dichromate is what is nature? Acidified, means acidic in nature. So adding oxygen to this starting there, that is what we will say oxidizing agent. So they will produce us nascent oxygen. It will leads to production of what? Ethyl, what is that? Ethanoic acid, or we will say acetic acid. Even the equation also there in our textbook also. So as it is more important one. Okay. So that is only called as oxidation reaction. All of you should remember. So it is basically, we can say, controlled combustion. If you want, you just remember controlled combustion. This reaction is only oxidation, or we will say controlled combustion. Means we are not allowing to burn fully. If I keep O2, what will happen, Ra? If I keep O2 here, what will happen? It will leads to producing of carbon dioxide, water, and heat and light. So that is why I am taking O. That is why it is called as controlled combustion. Instead of O2, we are going with only O. That is what O is called as nascent oxygen, highly reactive oxygen, so that it will form ethanoic acid. Any doubt, anybody? Clear? Yes, please. Next. Third one and fourth one, most important reactions. That is what third one is called as dehydration. What do you mean by dehydration? You might be studied in our daily life also. Will use this word dehydration. Anyone? Dehydration.
All of water.
Lack of water.
Yes or no? Same thing. That is what dehydration will happen when ethyl alcohol will react with a concentrated sulfuric acid. Please note it down. Reaction with concentrated sulfuric acid. Concentrated sulfuric acid. What is the formula of sulfuric acid, everybody? Yes, please. Very, very important reaction. That is what we are following according to our book only. So each one you all need to know. So please make it everything very clearly. So write it, everyone. Reaction of concentrated. That is what is the name of this one called as, everybody? Dehydration. Okay, write it. Ethanol, CH3, CH2OH. What is the name of this one? Ethanol or ethyl alcohol, whatever it is. Ethyl alcohol. So if you are reacting with the concentrated H2SO4 under the temperature of 443 Kelvin. 443 Kelvin. Can you tell me in degrees Celsius? Anybody? Degree Celsius.
Yes.
Yes.
200.
173.
43 Kelvin. 443 minus 273.
173.
173.
120.
Okay. So approximately 170 degrees Celsius, guys. Remember conversion. So it is used to produce CH2 double bond CH2 plus water. So this is only we used to call as, what is the name of this one? Anyone? CH2 double bond CH2. What is it called as? Nobody? Ethene, not ethane. Ethene, double bond it is. Is it okay? Understand, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So who is the dehydrating agent here? Dehydrating agent. Dehydrating agent is removing water from ethanol. Yes, dehydrating agent is removing water from the ethanol is sulfuric acid. Okay, so this is what the reaction will takes place. So excess concentrated sulfuric acid results in the dehydration of ethanol. So that is what, and it will give the ethene. All of you should remember. Clear? Yes, please. So ethene is the unsaturated or saturated hydrocarbon?
Unsaturated.
Unsaturated hydrocarbon. Okay, please. To give unsaturated hydrocarbon, we have to react with a concentrated sulfuric acid, which is called as dehydrating agent. Okay, next one. Reaction with the sodium, most important one, guys. Reaction with the sodium. What is the symbol of sodium, everyone? Sodium symbol. Na. Remember, sodium is more reactive or less reactive?
More reactive.
More reactive. Sodium can displace hydrogen from ethanol. Very, very important reaction. So many times they used to ask this one. So please write it. Sodium reacting with the sodium. So reaction C2H5OH reacting with the sodium. So it will form the well-known compound. Anybody can tell me? Only hydrogen will remove. This hydrogen will remove. So, and it will form sodium. Anyone formula? C2H5OH plus hydrogen gas will come separately. So that's all it is. So this name is only called as sodium ethoxide. Sodium ethoxide. That is the name of this one. So in this, one positive ion, one negative ion is there. Your NCERT book that is wants to mention in this equation. Anybody can tell which is the positive or which is the negative?
Na is positive.
Yes, Na is plus and Na is negative. That is also you can write. So the same equation I will write like this. Please all of you remember, whatever it is, everything is same. C2H5OH plus Na. Balance it fastly. This is 2 Na will come, and here 2 C2H2 will come, and here also 2 C2H2 will come. Is it okay, all of you? Yes, please. That is one. And H2. Okay. Now Na will gives you. Remember all of you, 3 are same only. So now C2H5O minus it is, and sodium, what it is, guys? Plus. Okay, plus hydrogen. So this is one. Now, if you take NCERT, this one they will write in the form of structure. The structure nowhere people will teach. So we can draw. So what is the structure will come? Anybody can tell me? CH3. Yes, please. CH3. Everybody. CH3, CH2O minus and Na plus. So this is also all are same only. So what is the name of this one? All of you? Sodium. Okay. So you want the structure, I will draw that also. So C and C, first one triple bond and 3 hydrogens, second one 2 hydrogens plus 1 oxygen and 1 hydrogen, which is reacting with the, so actually it is 2 number count. So here also 2 for balancing. So 2 sodium atoms. I'll take 1. It's already negative 2. So which will gives you as 2 of structure you can draw. C, single bond C. How many hydrogens, guys? 3 hydrogens, and here 2 hydrogens, and here 1 oxygen and 1 sodium. Okay, clear, Mukul? Pradosh?
Sir.
Plus hydrogen. Okay, very important. So this one I write in the form of condenser formula. Everybody, what is the condenser formula? CH3 single bond H2 bond. I'm writing as CH3 CH2O Na. Okay, sodium ethoxide. And here I'm representing plus or minus. This fully is negative and fully is, that is CH3 CH2O negative, and is an Na is plus. So this one only I can write. 2 carbons are there, so C2, 5 hydrogens are there, so H5 and ONA. All are same only, guys. Is it okay, everybody? Yes, please. Nobody? Understand or not?
Yes, sir.
So this is very, very important, guys. So all of you need to remember that. This is the fourth property. So reaction with the sodium. Next, reaction with ethanoic acid. Reaction with ethanoic acid. Reaction with ethanoic acid. Everyone write. Reaction with ethanoic acid. What is the ethanoic acid name called as? Another name of ethanoic acid. Everybody? Yes?
Yes.
That is what.
Acetic acid.
Reaction is only called as, all of you remember, formation of ester or ester, we can say. Formation of ester. This is the reaction. Very, very important reaction. So tell me, ethanoic acid, what is the formula? Acetic acid, CH3.
CH3COOH.
Ethanoic acid also called as
Acetic acid.
CH3COOH reacting with the ethanol. What is the ethanol formula? Everyone. C2H5OH. CH3COO C2H5 plus H2O. So this is the formula. Can anyone tell me what is the name of this one? Yes, please. This is only called as ethyl acetate. Okay, so which is having a sweet smell. That is what we will say, sweet smelling ester. So that is what we used to say, ester formation it is. Sweet smelling ester. Sweet smell will get it. Ethyl alcohol, ethyl acetate. Also we can say ethyl ethonate. Spelling is very important. Ethyl ethonate. So it is a sweet smell which is indicating that formation of ester. Whenever you will get a 11th class and all, you will do the laboratory. Whenever you will get a sweet smell, it is indicating formation of whom, guys? Formation of ester. That is what you have to remember. Okay. So please remember, all of you, all the alcohols react with the carboxylic acid in the presence of little of concentrated sulfuric acid to form sweet smelling esters. So here little concentrated sulfuric acid is needed. Please note it down. Concentrated sulfuric acid is needed under the presence of, very, very important, presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. Again, don't say me, I not taught you. You have to learn. It's your responsibility. Under the presence of little concentrated H2SO4 to form the sweet smelling esters, and this process is only called as esterification or esterification, whatever it is. And remember, instead of ethanoic acid is a what family? Functional group. Anybody?
Carboxylic.
Carboxylic acid. So remember, all the alcohols reacting with the carboxylic acid, understand? Under the presence of little concentrated H2SO4, that is what? To form what, guys? To form the sweet smelling what? Esters is only called as esterification. This process is called as esterification. All of you need to remember. Is it okay, everybody? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
So this is what you have to do it. Now, what are the tests for an alcohol? If you want to test either it is alcohol or not, very most important, even this year sample problem also they have given. So what is the test we can do, guys? First one we already did just now. Reaction number 4. Everybody do the reaction number 4. What is that? Yes, please. Testing. Test for an alcohol. So if you want to identify the given substance, as it is a colorless or not, it is a colorless. Understanding? So, but it is having a, what is the smell it is having? Everybody? What is the smell of this one? It is having a pleasant smell. Understanding? Pleasant smell with a burning taste. So we cannot taste it everything. So alcohol can be tested. One first thing is the fourth chemical reaction. Tell me what is that reaction with what? Fourth one you studied it just now. Reacting with what, guys?
Sulfuric acid.
Sulfuric acid.
Sodium.
Just now you written correct, okay? Fourth property. What is the fourth property, okay? Here see what?
Sodium.
Sodium. So that is what the testing of alcohol. The given colorless solution is alcohol or not. You can go with the sodium metal. So if I put the sodium metal, sir, how I can find it? It is very, very important, guys. So sodium metal test, whenever I will put the sodium, then immediately bubbles will come. So that bubbles only chemistry we can say, word called as, what is to call? Effervescence. Okay, effervescence, that is indicating that hydrogen gas is producing. So it is indicating that the given organic liquid is a what, guys? The given organic liquid is a alcohol. That is what I will identify. The given liquid is alcohol or not. All of you remember, whenever I will add the sodium metal, immediately I will notice the bubbles are forming. That bubbles only what we used to call effervescence. Effervescence means bubbles. So that bubbles indicating hydrogen gas. So if hydrogen gas is evolving, so as we know, it is indicating that the given substance is what? Alcohol. So that is the first thing. Second test is ester test for alcohol. So what is the ester, guys? Just now we studied. What is the test will come? Smell. Ester test for alcohol. What will come? Taste.
Sweet.
Sweet smelling. That is what you have to remember. Sweet smelling will come. So it is indicating alcohol. So if any organic compound is warmed with some ethanoic acid, all of you remember, any organic compound warmed with ethanoic acid, that is what carboxylic acid we can say, or ethanoic acid, what is another name? Ethanoic acid,
Acetic acid.
under the presence of some concentrated acid. What is that acid name called as?
Sulfuric acid.
Sulfuric acid. Then immediately we will get a sweet smell. Okay. So this sweet smell is coming due to the formation of whom, guys? Due to the formation of
Ester.
ester. Formation of ester. So that is why it is indicating that the given organic compound is what? The given organic compound is what, guys? It is the given organic compound is what? It is the alcohol. So these are the two tests which is given in our NCERT also, as well as we also need to learn. So any kind of thing, if it is how to identify a given substance is alcohol or not, reacting with the sodium, effervescence will come, means bubbles, or reacting with the carboxylic acids, they will produce esters. That's what sweet smell. It is indicating alcohol. So these are the two tests we can use it to identify the ethanol or alcohol when we don't know, when it is not labeled it properly. So very, very important. Sodium metal test, and second one is ester test for alcohols. Hope everybody understand. So till here you learn. Then from here we'll continue what is the advantages of this ethyl alcohol, and later harmful effects of this drinking alcohol, everything we'll study. Then next second product called as ethanoic acid. So what is the properties of this ethanoic acid and all, we'll try to complete it in the next class. So okay, so thank you everybody. Till here you prepare and come, then we'll meet in the afternoon class. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.